Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my page. Guys, join me and let's make this delicious fried rice together. In the pot, which I already washed all my proteins and seasoned. So I'll leave it to boil for some minutes and check it. Then I'll add a little bit of water and leave it to cook. After this is finished cooking, so I will put them in the hair dryer and dry them out. Then while that one is drying out, let's fry our rice with a slice of butter. So the reason why I'm going to fry the rice a little bit is for it to get crumbly, like scattered. It doesn't come together when you do it like this. So I will stir it for at least like 5 to 10 minutes and dry away all the water. So after that, I will pour in the meat stock from the chicken and beef that I showed previously. Then I will add some herbs like this is seasoning, powder seasoning, and a little bit of curry. I will add thyme and 1 stick of bay leaf, because there is bay leaf. I use bay leaf for the meat stock and a little bit of thyme, so I don't need much here now. So I will leave the rice to cook. So the rice is ready and it's ready to be fried again with the vegetables. So I will set that aside and bring out the vegetable and the saucepan in the fire. So I will add some olive oil, that's extra virgin olive oil, and add my shrimps first because it's raw shrimps. Then I will start adding the rest of the vegetable one by one. I had carrot first because carrot is a bit stronger. And I added a little bit of butter. So I will now add the bell pepper and the green bell pepper. Add the spring onion and a little chili. Then I will stir, continue to stir. Then I will now add the green peas and stir again together and let it cook. Then I will add a little seasoning. I will add the gizzard, which is already fried. I forgot to show the process. And leave it to cook a little bit for like 2 minutes. Then stir again to see if all your ingredients is cook very well. Although vegetable doesn't have, you doesn't have to leave it on fire for a long time. So then I will add the rice and continue to stir it, fry it together with the vegetables. Then our rice is ready and ready to eat. At this moment, the aroma was given. Thank you guys for joining me, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and have a wonderful day. See you again.